Hey folks, how you going? Skypilot here. Welcome to my channel. Not an ideal day to fly, however I really do want to try out my new Firefly X camera on the front of this Beta FPV. As you can see, it's invertly mounted, which is pretty cool. Nice little design. I have done a couple of reviews of this camera, so check them out on the screen up there. As you can see, the camera mount of this 95X is a little bit on the wobbly side, so I'm going to be recording in mode 3, which is, I believe, the 2.5K stabilization mode. The Firefly X has 3 modes. You can invert it, obviously, which is what I've done here, which is why it's upside down, and allows you to mount it on the whoop as I have done so here, which is pretty cool. Nice little design, nice and light, like I said. So this camera has 3 different modes. The only mode which enables stabilization is the 2.5K mode, so I will film in HD just to have a look and see how that goes as well. I'm hoping I can find somewhere where it's not so windy. I have to check out the gully down there, because these whoops really don't like the wind. See how she goes. Yes, the wind has picked up considerably, so this is most likely going to end quite badly. Like I said, I just want to get a little bit of footage with that HD camera. I am running TVS Crossfire. You can see it's really fine with the wind. Not sure why I'm getting sensor loss. What am I getting here? Oh, I'm getting a battery warning. Well, that's interesting. Not too sure what's going on there. I think we had better land and check out that battery issue. Wow, it's really windy, guys. Okay. I'm not actually flying this, I'm just fighting the wind at the moment. Okay. Alright. Yeah, it's sorry about that. Let's replace that battery, shall we? '95X V3. I did a build of this Beta FPV 95X. Oh, okay. You guys are wondering if you should fly in heavy wind with a whoop. I'm hoping I've just given you the answer, and that is no. Let's go down that valley down there, see if we can get away from this wind. Try and be nice and smooth on the sticks. Like I said, the mount on this 95X is quite rubbery. So I'm expecting a little bit of jello and a little bit of wash, etc. I am being as smooth as possible. Really windy, guys. Really windy. It's just blown me all the way over there by the road. Yeah, I'm going to be using most of my power. I'm actually having trouble in going forward here. Alright. I'm almost full throttle, guys, just to go forward a little bit, so no good. Anyway, okay, excuse me while I just like this. Yep. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, wow. I'm hoping I've caught a bit of footage for you guys. It's really not ideal to fly a whoop out here. These conditions, I'm just going to end a disaster. So let's land it, and I will put another battery on, just chewing the battery, and I will try a 4K footage so we can see the difference between the image stabilization and normal flying. Okay, really quickly before a cyclone comes, this is 4K at 60. 4K at 60 with no image stabilization available. So let's have a look and see how that performs in the wind. And I'll attempt to fly down where I went before. It's really windy. Yeah, it's just crazy doing this, guys. Do not attempt this at home. Not a great deal of fun. No smooth footage to be had here, I'm afraid, with this wind at all. I'll have a crack though. The 95XV3 does chew the batteries. I'm afraid the only suitable LiPos I've got at the moment are not all that good, which is why I'm getting such rubbish flight times, not to mention the fact that it's really, really windy here. Can't really go where I want to go. Certainly not ideal. Yeah, I'll spin around. This is treacherous. Okay, yep, it's just pushing me away. Okay, let's get back to the tree and land this thing. The lean I'm on. It's a shocker. That's what I'm flying in, guys. It's really no good. Oh, just as I stop, the wind dies down. Okay. In the other conditions, this is a pleasure to fly, but it's just too windy. Come in for a quick close-up. Firefly X. I'm going to see that. Oh, don't blow into me. Good land. Too windy to land. I'm going to have to go for a crash landing. 4K, 60 frames a second, folks. Stop recorder. Got the power. If nothing else, that was certainly a yellow test with this Firefly X. It is a fabulous little camera. Check it out, guys. I'll have some other footage of it in much more desirable conditions. Drop us a comment. Thanks for sticking by this long anyway. Super appreciated, and I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye for now.